welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna do a tutorial on how to make clay fidget. So first is we're gonna do this one. We're going to copy that one. So here are the colors we'll be needing. First, we're going to do the base of it. So first, we're gonna make the small part that we just put a circle in now. Flat it. Just gonna make some shapes of it. I made the small shape. Now we're going to make the big shape. There, I connected the small and big part. Now we're gonna make the blue part, this part. There, and now we're going to connect it. There, it should look like this. It looks like a car. Now we're going to make this yellow part. There, and now we're going to make the green part. There, and now after we done the base, we're going to do the pops now. So first we're gonna do the big one. Now we're going to make it flat. Just like that. And now we're going to put it here. There we go. It's starting to look like it after I'm putting the pops now. Now we're gonna do the blue. And just do the same thing like the orange. There we go. Now we're gonna do the yellow part. There. Now we're gonna make the green part over here. Just do the same thing as well. Just roll and flap. Like that. And now we're going to make the smallest one. Just roll and flap. Here are the results. Do they look the same? So now we are going to do this. It's kind of like a stress ball, but it's like a caterpillar shape. So we're gonna do this one. First, we're gonna do the head, the top. We have green over here, and we just roll it. Just like what we did in the example, like that. Because we're gonna make the face. Now we make the eyes. There, I have made the eyes. Now we're gonna put it. There we go. Now we're gonna do a smile. It has like a red smile on it. Face. There we go. We have put the red smile. Now that we have made the head, we're gonna make the body. First is purple. We have some purple here. I only have light purple. So we gotta roll it and flat and sides, but it's still rolled in the body like that. Now we connect them like that. Now we're gonna do blue. There we go. Now we're gonna do yellow. Now it's pink, but the end is circle, just like this. So we're gonna do the same. We just roll it and flat one side. Now connect. There we go. Now we're gonna do the feet. So you just roll it like that. Flat. Then make a shoe. Roll and make it oblong and flat. Now connect to the body. Do the same with the other ones. Now we're gonna do the other side. we're done with the caterpillar. We're not gonna do the the spikes, because it's going to take like forever. So yeah. Next thing we're going to make is this one. This is pretty easy to do. It's like a fidget spinner. So we're gonna do it. First we have to make the base. It's pink. Now we are going to roll and flat. Now we did 3 of those circles. Now we're gonna do like the middle one. Now we're going to connect them 3. Center. There we go. Now we're going to make the pops. Now we have all the colors. We're going to do is roll it and flat one side. And there. Just do the same with the others. There we go. And now we're going to make the center for it to spin. So and we add it. And there we go. We are done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to follow my TikTok account, Leigh 10, and don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Bye!